hop on here real quick because somebody asked me the other day why I started doing credit repair. You know, I'm out eating right now. Actually got some good food today. Y'all gotta stop by. Where are we at? We somewhere downtown getting tacos. But anywho, so somebody asked me the other day, why did I start credit repair? And I really didn't have an answer for them, to be honest. I really just like answered honestly. So I answered honestly, and I was kind of just like, you know, I started credit repair and I stumbled upon it, right? I stumbled upon credit repair because I was basically like, as an entrepreneur, you know, doing a lot of stuff, right? I was getting into Airbnb. I was getting into drop shipping, you know, trying to, you know, just navigate and figure out what business I wanted to, you know, actually capitalize on. And I started a few businesses, always failed, right? And I really always failed, number one, because I didn't have the motivation. I wasn't ready to, you know, really get into it. I was still young. And I'm still young now, but I was really, really young, like still in school young, right? So I'm thinking about it, and you know, I was trying to get into it, trying to get my credit repair shit right. And she's gonna when I first started, right, I didn't know what I wanted to do, right? Like I said, I was doing a bunch of shit. And when I really like stumbled upon credit repair is when I was trying to scale my business, right? Every time I was trying to scale my business or even like scale it to even get sales, right? I kept hitting a wall of not being able to spend the money on it, right? If I wanted to run ads, I didn't have the money to run ads. If I wanted to hire somebody because I was doing all the work myself, I didn't have the money to hire anybody, right? So every single time I tried to scale, money was an issue. And my business didn't have enough cash flow for me to be able to do those things. So what I thought about was, okay, where am I going wrong, right? So I went to a credit, how to fund your business workshop or like a webinar, right? And this is when I stumbled upon credit repair. So this guy was speaking, he was talking about, you know, thank you.
Can I take this empty one?
Yes, please, thank you so much. But we were so we're talking, right? Well, I'm in the webinar, right? He's speaking about, you know, how to get your business funded, right? And he starts speaking about credit, right? So he starts speaking about credit, and you know, my brain clicked. It was like, you know, when you see that little light bulb turn on in your head, it clicked like, okay, this is what's stopping me from scaling my business, from going to the next level, right? So I'm thinking about all this when, you know, somebody like the lady asked me like, what got you into credit repair, right? And I said all that to say, like, I got into credit repair because I was an entrepreneur just like you, trying to get it together, trying to figure out where the money was going to come from, trying to figure out what I was going to do with the money when I got it, and trying to figure out how to play the game. Like, how was I going to get money to be able to quit my job, to be able to start my business, to be able to get some shaking, right? And, you know, I stumbled upon credit repair because I was just an entrepreneur trying to figure it out, right? And that's literally what I told the lady. I said, I literally just stumbled on it. And when I stumbled on it, it was something that I took more interest in than anything I've ever took interest in, right? Still to this day, I watch hours and hours of things about credit, still read credit repair books, still, you know, reading, you know, consumer laws, right? So I say all that to say I got into credit repair because I was supposed to be in credit repair, and the financial literacy is the biggest part of that. And I think a lot of people mistake credit repair, credit repair and, you know, funding your business, period, with, you know, just a clean financial slate, right? For you to truly clean your financial slate, you have to clear your financial mindset. So when she asked me, you know, why'd you get into credit repair? And I basically told her, like, you know, I got into credit repair because I wanted to help people fix their credit, but I also wanted to help them understand how to use their credit. So that's the biggest thing for me. Now, with that being said, I think everybody should understand how important credit is. So that's what I'm breaking down at the Credit Hacks Workshop. Y'all should come and kick it with us. It's going to be on the 28th of this month. And I'm just ready to kick it with y'all. Like, I'm ready to hear what y'all got to say. I'm ready to, you know, answer y'all questions and learn some stuff about y'all just as much as y'all came ready to learn. I want to learn some stuff too. So If y'all want the link to the Credit Hacks Workshop, y'all should just comment below, and I got you. Because we're going to be breaking down financial literacy, credit repair, and doing it all without, breaking the bank. How do you fix your credit without going broke, right? How do you fix your credit without, paying 6-7 months of rent, right? So that's what we're breaking down, and I'm going to give you the game. I'm going to give you the stuff that people aren't talking about, the stuff that people like to gatekeep, the stuff that people don't want you to know about because they make more money by you paying them and, getting itty-bitty little bits of information so that they can string you along, right? I'm going to give you the whole game. Give you the game the way I would want somebody to give me the game, right? Give it to me straight. So y'all should come kick it with us at the Credit Repair, the Credit Hacks Workshop. Again, we're doing it at the end of this month, on the 28th. And yeah, come kick it with me, man. Come kick it with me. More to come is Coach K. I'm gonna see y'all soon.